Deal in 5 minutes. My walkthrough for framework for offers that stick. You don't need a PhD or a week with a spreadsheet to analyze a deal. You need 5 minutes, a sharp eye, and a framework. I'm going to hand you mine and show you how I went from curb to maximum allowable offer in under 5 minutes on a real property. My name is Joe Holmes. I'm a broker, mentor, and investor. And speed plus accuracy is how you win offers without overpaying. Start at the curb. Read the street. Do the neighbors maintain their homes? Are there trucks on blocks or manicured lawns? Buyers and appraisers judge the block in 10 seconds. You should too. Check structure quickly. Roof lines sagging, moisture stains, foundation cracks or separations. You don't need an engineering degree to flag big ticket items early. Go straight to kitchens and baths. If you can salvage them, your rehab shrinks. If you're 1980s time capsules, plan a full gut and price it accordingly. That's where value is concentrated. Always look for square footage plays. Convert a den, finish part of a garage, add a bedroom with a closet and a door. Low cost, big value impact when legal and sensible. Get ARV fast. Pull 3 solid comps within a half a mile to a mile and within 10% of the subject's size. Adjust lightly for condition. Stop overcomplicating the first pass. Eliminate repairs in ranges. Light, medium, heavy. Call it $20, $40, $60 per square foot. Ballpark now. Verify with contractors later. Now calculate MAO. ARV times 70% minus repairs. That number keeps emotions out of the profits in. If the seller won't play ball, walk. Book a session and we'll comp your next deal together live. Payoff. Last month, I walked a property, ran this exact process, offered $290,000, and we closed for a $42,000 profit. 5 minutes of focus beat 10 investors still fiddling in Excel.